Okay, I wanted to create just this little extra video to show you what we do to take the caps off on the backs of these. Pretty cannibalistic, barbaric, but it works. You gotta be careful, and now you just slip that out. Okay, so when you're clipping those off like I just did, make sure that you're not cutting into the wire. This is a typical application that can be used. Other times you can take a mallet or a hammer and knock that socket off, but just make sure you don't strip your wire, so be super careful. But taking the sockets off that way does a nice clean install. We're going to put a matching electrical tape on it. Other ways to solve for when a roof line, you've got to jump from one roof line to another roof line, is you can leave the sockets on and cover them up, or with electrical tape or whatever means, a cap on a socket. But our preferred method is cut them off or take them off with a mallet or hammer. Again, clean install. And now we're just going to get some matching electrical tape, and then we're just going to wrap these where we took them off.